let's get to the point right now. All right, so now the fun stuff. We are going to cut this template. I've already made the measurements and I wrote them right here so I won't lose it. 52 inches from left to right pillar, 20 inches from the bottom to this part of the hatch area. Don't need to cut it. And from here to where it needs to drop down so it looks nice is 7 inches. So what I'm going to do is, this obviously is not 52 inches, but it will work for the template. So what I'm going to do is measure this, probably 21 just in case I need a little bit more. I can always shave off some. Cut this and then take it down to here and cut it. But what I need to figure out is, the length from here to here. But to do that, I'll first need to get the top and bottom measured up. So let's do that. So I'll be making my lines with this piece of cardboard so they're nice and straight. And I'll just do this on the ground right here because the garage is a little messy right now and I don't have room to do it anywhere else. So let's start top to bottom. And I'll bring it right to the edge so it's straight. Just a dashed line of work, no need to make it completely straight and waste the ink or the paint, whatever it is. All right. First part done. Then how to make a template for stuff. Now where are my scissors? Right here. All right, let's go and cut this boy. What are you doing, mosquito? Mosquito. Smack. All right. Cut, cut, cut. Cutting, keep cutting. Oh, another thing is I'll be changing those fans to these durails I found. And apparently they're really good. I've heard from a couple people. Keegan told me about them. They are 4,000 total CFM output, which is how much air a fan can move. So they're dual fans with the plastic shroud, and each motor is 265 watts. So should be pretty powerful and get the job done, because those I have in there right now are not working for me or for my friend Schulman. So we're both going to be doing a video about it together, and I think I'm going to do it first. Just waiting for him to tell me when he's going to purchase his and I'll purchase mine. So I will need to take this off. I should probably mark these just in case. Negatory, pository. That is an 8, and this one should be a 10 millimeter boy. 10 milliboy. Come on, get down there. Oh gosh. Well, as long as that one's negative, I'll remember that one. I still want to make it anyway. Positive boy. Negative Nancy. P. B. Ouch. Alright, so back to here. We can just use this guy. A little extendo boy. On both. 8 on this one, 10 on this one. 8, 10. Alright. Loosen, loosen, loosen. I don't know what's up with these sound effects lately, but I've been doing it a lot. I like it, it's fun. Oh my god. So what I'll have to do is cut a hole with a hole saw in the actual aluminum firewall that I get, and maybe put an end of a hose around it or something to protect it from getting frayed, and then feed it through there to go through there once the firewall is in place. But eventually when I add the rear bracing, I'll probably just cut a hole in the firewall so it'll go right through there, or maybe, I don't know, we'll figure that out when the time comes. But now we can get to business. Put it right here for later. Slide those boys over there. Now I can fit this right in here nice. Try cutting there. Oh my god! Where'd I put the scissors? Literally just have them. Oh, duh, they're in my pocket. so we'll try cutting here. And then once I have the actual piece cut out, I can go and round off the edges and make it nice when I actually have the aluminum piece. Yeah, so doing this is just like drawing. You make a really rough sketch and then the final product turns out really nice. So you just want to get a general idea of what you're doing. So it doesn't have to be like perfect right away. This guy, I can cut right like that. That's crazy. This thing was pretty much already ready to go. I didn't even bend it like that. I got it bent like that. It's funny how things work out. Or I could have it bend here and then bend up. I think that would look pretty sweet. There's already like a line here. You see that, guys? What the heck? I promise I did not set this thing up before recording this video. But yeah, when you want to bend it, and it's like a rough draft bend, whatever you want to call it, just kind of like massage it like this. And then once you get it off, you can go and make a serious bend. Or it could like even go and bend up like that. Alright. Yeah, you can find this stuff at Skycraft. Over there on Lee Road. And I-4. Awesome place. But I warn you, when you go in there, if you plan to spend 10 minutes, you will be disappointed because you will be in there for 2 hours looking at all the cool stuff they have. Something like that. So this will need to have a circle right there. Awesome. So that's one. We'll put another one here. Cut this boy out real quick. Towel. Make sure it fits good. Perfect. I don't know where my drill is, so I'm just gonna use this bit and poke it through there. Hopefully this will work. I'm using some caveman technology right now. Perfect. So yeah, if you can't find your drill and you're using this material, poke a hole with the drill bit. Simple. Simple. Oh, there's no hole on this one. Alright. Sweet. So we're going to put this guy on first and we're going to put it in through this side so it'll be easier, hopefully. There we go. Alright, so yeah, it's going to be something like that, or maybe it can go like this and I can bolt it up there, through here. Yeah, so you get the point. Basic firewallage. Got the basic idea going, so yeah. I like it. I think it's going to be sweet. I hope you guys like it too. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes it for this night's update. I will see you guys soon, so remember to hit that subscribe button and make sure you also click on the little bell icon so you guys get a notification when we upload new videos and new updates, new whatever. So I'll see you guys soon. I'm about to jet out of here. I gotta go meet some people, but have a good night, and yeah, so awesome. Thank you guys. Bye. Peace.